for a day. Oh, lovely Friday morning. Look at that, roaring away. Just made me brie, so I'll go sit and have it in a minute. But I've not been idle. I've been straightening these flags because there was a bug in me. So they're straight now. And then I'll go get these, well, them two's not obviously. I'm going to do them in a minute. And then I want to get these spuds out finally. We're getting there. We're getting there. But first, I'm going to fix them flags in. You thought I was going to say have a brie then, didn't you? I'm going to fix them flags in there. And then see if I can get another one fit in here. Because I've moved them all up a bit. And then I'll have my brie, and then I'll get them spuds out. See you in a bit. On my second log on there. Just boil it kettle again. Because I'm knackered. I've only got them spuds. No, no, them's runts. We got them spuds out of there, but I took a quarter of a bag out the other day when I took that row out, so probably got a full bucket out of there, which is not bad because it was full of holes where squirrels have been. Getting some winter fuel for herself. So that's done anyway. It's ready for just a topping of horse manure. We'll go and get some in a bit. So that's last at spuds out there. I've only got them in them buckets now. I'll get them tomorrow morning because I'm knackered again now. Looks alright in there now though. But these will be easy because I'll just unscrew all that wood, get all the buckets, take them over to bed where I'm filling them up and empty them in there and take the spuds out. So that'll be nice and easy tomorrow. So I'll do that in the morning. Top that bed up there. And if there's enough with the topping in here. The more topping of soil I do up, the less horse manure I've put in. Excuse me. I must be all bull I'm talking. Yeah. So we'll clean them sweet corn out now, chop them up and put them in one of these, because mine's full now on this side. That compost is full to bursting, so we won't start using them bins there because we've never used them. Only normally put horse manure in when we get some excess, but them are chocker. So I'll be using these. I can get around with barra to them anyway. Not way around now because these have gone full of pigeon crap. Yeah, so they're all empty these, but they won't be soon. Give these another rake in a bit. I have to dig that sweet corn root out. I just pulled the plant up, so I'll let them dry out and I'll put them in a sack. Another job done. Right, let's get that kettle on. That's it, another exciting day down the plots. It's 10 o'clock. Better go because Shirley wants to go shopping for a birthday present, and our anniversary it is as well. That fire's nearly died down now. Just got a bag of Tigerella tomatoes to take with us because we're going away on Monday in a caravan, so they can go in the fridge. We're munching on them in Wales. Conway we're going. Wind's picked up now. So that'll do till tomorrow, all nice and tidy. Got them spuds in there. Got 2 full sacks at home. King Edwards and something else. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to get these out. These pink fir apple. So they're all coming out in the morning. All that soil out in buckets is topping this bed up here. See that sweet corn over there, I'll let it dry today and I'll chop it up tomorrow, put it in that bin. That's all nice and tidy now. Weeded. Done that sweet corn bed. Tidied all that up. I'll just have to take them back out. I'll take them out tomorrow too. Put them in compost. A couple of these scabby cabbage. But I'll chop them up and put them under cardboard like I did with them. Yeah. Happy days. Right. I'll see you in the morning when I get them spuds out there. Oh, it's lovely and warm in here. It's freezing out there today. See you in the morning.